Home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo and more for $4.50 per month.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha te yababere isiko ekiagara bone gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ecy'umwana gutumia kumenye school gurendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania atabiri mu mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoze school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migutara sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Uya kigima mwancho murigiriria bigeta sinikia tembe cyaragire chinsa ikomi chiritkerigari ya Jumatatu tariki 29 chigakito ikirase mesa yekionga toko manyama yakoro imenesko yorogongoro gusi bunagendrete watekana na mona bunabegendrete gutwikira ase mesa ito yamangana moya njengro kwa Catherine Nyabuga Vanessa Nyabuke kurasa umuntu wa wimanyiriro kuri studio kabiri Kevin Ongeri nera koneke buna chibichechi na boiga Marioge wikira chire ase nchira yo wikrani karanso ike obenentu ikomoro toko manye buna agendrete watka na togo chaka bunenchira yemo ne mono yoko basira abarense korwa ase ebinyoro mumsebe woderia township e county ya Nyamira moskedi kumasira nigo agendrere gutambe yokoboko kwaye nabo igo kumusira umutakano yomo korwa ase kinyoro kiageseneno ukona chinga kecho ukona chinga ki abwatoka etugo gose ngombe eyo nigo abanyakinyoro bago kere gitambukiro kiaye moskedi ekyo boigo bamuburire masira gutambia okoboko eri abange banyora bokonya nene mono bari abatari kwenyara.
Mwako Monica nero sirete ruko kusakali bona kiro mushimi watara kuchumuchi uya karoba kongwale ngororo muswati utigirwa bana bake atonyara kubakini tabwati any source mushimi wakali irana ko mwale engombe ko makonya ando nyekira nesti kulia lero sami family abana batigira bake kwarona kamana kagatigiru gatige tunu mugaka naise bona nekonye family asenye kini abana
nabata kingo serero guno mugaka na akero mweshime wa Duke ngambi ya mone tabwate nekerengo
gakie tole no mogoko monene umwesimi waito Duke asama ya beira gotokorera Senyamira county igetogogete tole no mogoko bwo gokumia akonyira abana batigire bimwererega engombe cyo kubakonya amabere banyu
sago konya sabanto gokonya na sako rustari emero amente kane botambe
musabira mwesimi wa Duke mbuya mono na inde Duke ogende Duke ayino muntu itukorwe sene na ntu wanjete na ayino tuwanjete Duke togo sagero obugeni obweno kwa bwango egero ndiro konya abantu babase na mbaisa tu kumwisimiwa toro sako konya. I would say that we like Mwisimiwa Duke Oyagi Masira very so much.
Umwaka ujiga bw'ikirubere 2025 nigo obeire umwaka umubi gosomo kongo asensemo ya uchumi igento kiabekira ubugima bw'abantu abange kogendera gokonga mono ayankorengana nensemo gete gosinkorengana n'abamenyi koro ase county ya Nyamira ababwatukire birengerero byabo ane mono igoro yense gose uchumi yense ya Kenya asibatebire nigo yaberige kubakongera koro ritsko gocha ase rinde korengana nabarabo nigo ensemo yende bakwaneire oburayi ase county ya Nyamira ase boigo bamubori umuske nyaribo koboikange na kubakorera amagendro na boigo nigo baruru kubolia gochi ase abarayi anene muno gochakira umurayi bwense Daktari wa Samuel Ruto korobya ubugima kero turatambuke ose kero turasoe umwaka umuya mwaka bw'ikirubere 2025 ne
Kenya yaito twachire kurigeri none biashara togokora maene nigo tuchandegete nabokorete ibintu byagundira gwasengenje kibese kitayo twari gusabaga Kenya yaito abarayi baito batokonye ekiagera nga barigereria umwana inchi
ya bona uchumi bune yo mwaka oyo togikokora abantu abange bararetenja Christmas mbabwate kende bakoria one sukuru fees none ezigento bategemete buna echai eyaba yeri mono sana mbarengere twese ko bainsengenje kabe nonya mbono muntu ndo tabwate ngombe mwana abana abange mbakwenda sukuru
none CPC yaja kumati none abana buna baeta yembaeta lakini mbagende sukuru asengenje uchumi ere nkongu bigobono gaki abarayi baranyare ko babako baito tubwate banyare ko babako tokonya igoro ya uchumi yoka nero yatosumbuira maene ndio tokoraranjara tokerase bono tuchandegeta maene.
In fact, Nyamira it has been 3 years. Nanda karotokori semyake tatu asobo kole ribwa amagendro. Yani ntoranyora kende toratebe na twanyore gento kere tangible development. Eye yare trunechibura buru chiarekane chiabere chinyinge asokungasana kwa abera sabara ya MCA. I actually contested for the seat of the speaker in the county assembly. Akarebura buru yarenge gali. Egesegire gali ni personal interest y'abantu bakorige ni personal gains elinde batiga amagendero gosama agento kali abana inchi batete actually when tokosa 2026 ngosa banyasaye baira ni chinkoronse kero montaira ni enkoro ya inse gabanache baikaranse na ba MCA bae bakorera abana inchi banyamire gasi
so Nyamira yaito mangana corruption yari chi office gorogaria mboka nyaribo ona ari komusaba sana umwaka oyo gocha ekebindi gyatigere kamo ateme sana ateme atiga nobukurumyo babantu baya bakona koira kibese chi office kyabere kyabanyene abari bari gorari nabo na education ngoseri guvune sese
Abasai nigo bagenderete gosegeta kobwate ibande amone chikura iriko iroberia bwikirano anemono asobochori bore bose bo mwaka 2027 okwana yega anemono nabaliki bamangana imi county Nyamira Duke Ombagi oyore nseyeri aburiria agenda 27 nigo abeirega kogikeria oburayo bobe imi county ya Nyamira aseboigo asegetire gesaku kyomo gusigo chamo nebo yoko mosira Daktari Fred Okengo Matiangi bosibo bochori obonene bore bosyo anemono asiganga yokorigia ekirego kyoborai bwense Ombagi nigo boigo amochiri ensemogete yabarai ababeire bakamugikeria Matiangi
Teo ya wananchi togo swa 2027 tutaitoro si serikali yanjita mwananchi na anda toa promising ngake togo ile serikali 2027 intu togo jikwegimeria esubugu gato na wananchi igo as agenda 27 tuwabire tokurwania obora yobobe nando mwakoro cha 2026 eturaji ko babe mono ndoji gwanja corruption nande mora yonde bwensi ogo chikogenderera kolie bintu bya bananchi wikatu wale chinga kichingongo wikaturwani turorenga abananchi banyamira banyoro bokene nande togosaba abananchi monso Nyamira ga totenene no moskoito Matiangi ono mwano ito Nyamira ne bedroom yae na bosongo boigo abantu baito bwate chikura mwangongo once bawda chikura jeto ne chinge but we have numbers ekirotara Kenya yonse woikonyo romo usikeras there is no way mura denge tore minority when we are everywhere igo as agenda 27 we are going to spearhead vijana wita wa chikura vile nyomba we will start an operation bagosoka ku nyomba babwata chikura babwata ibanda inere agenda ite nene erabe 2026 no kurwani urayo bobe boika tonyoro bwene n'abananchi banyora maendeleo ukuje kusema tuweni wewe ndio unaongea kwa niaba ya jamii utatuambia siku gani ulichaguliwa na kina nani walikuchagua. Sisi kama jamii tunatambua kiongozi mmoja ambaye ni Fred Okengo Matiangi na ndiye ataunda serikali ya 2027.
Tugenderete kurigireria chinkwana cy'abasaye serikali nigo yaganiriye gose yaburiwe kwa basaye amabaga yemeremo erigo kinia magimabo bakwana aigati y'abasaye kurase county ya Nyamira nigo baburire abasaye gochamo na kugendera kwerondera na kuboigo kwaneke buna ngokora bari obochori buri obuya erigo kora obotaka korwa ase ebinyoro.
The youth will come together, register as voters, and then the exercise can take place recently at IBC. Most of the youths didn't register, but I'm urging them to register so that come 2024 we can have a say. Because without a vote, you cannot have a say. You want to group so that we can agree together as youths on how we can push for development from our leaders. And for the leaders, I'm urging especially the head of the state to at least look into the youths, because he has been recycling the old people from different maybe counties. And also I'm urging the head of state to also look into Nyamira County, especially Nyamira County lags behind in terms of development. So we want at least development to come to Nyamira, and especially the recently launched university, at least it tengenezwe so that we can have employment opportunities for our youth around this community.
The government is struggling to create more jobs, but it doesn't seem to be working for the guys, the young guys. We need the young guys to get jobs, but the jobs are not there. And instead of helping the young guys, it seems like they are looking at the old guys who are retired more and more. If you look at the ministries, they are fixing the people who have retired. And I think the young guys, by getting the votes, you can change this narrative so that the young guys can be looked at. It is so unfortunate that the government is not looking at the rampant. The rubbish of a lot of guys who are graduates without jobs. I don't think they are working on it. I think I'm asking the guys and the government to look at the guys and work day and night to make sure they create jobs for the guys.
Togocha gukorera korwa chipara bantre banigo baganiriwe koba maiso kobare asi chipara ane muno chinga kiechige mbure nyinge ya chakire kwene kwa chinsemo okona korwa chinsemo chia bosongo igatie abatinene ndibeche gari nigo boygo baganira bantre babu kwa chinga kichinyororo gutumuka eri gutanga imibasokano ye chipara iyo yairire amagima yabange nengana yairwa koboko numubwatani ase sector y'abosombi Mayor Gongora Gusi Aserieta Rogers Muturiongera.
Mbura chitema cheto balimo kugenda kigali abantu bamutatu uko basaba mugenda kigali mora nande kwibure kwabasire tumuka kara kwa tumukire agara oili baga abantu beto bano bikose kara ko ibito liko genda kigali ko korosete okuno kutagora taxi aba traffic weto bakanyenge mamata mukurira likigali ese sababu umusimu oyo kunoreega okwata mwana manga ine tisa namba 2 abantu betombaro Nairobi nane mpaka nteko sabiri gastra era kama uko na kigali kirimo maete kiru kyeto kaiga kachiyelire because abantu batoyo beto bagusike gamba maete pa naende nonyina abantu aba Nairobi bakire batoyo ba Nairobi kiba kugenda kigali ndiko bakana lakini bagenda kigali asenjere ngiya because panyaro montage te December nande paka December na lyabo cha kusi eyi takeire akaro montako agendie gari asenjere ngiya because baibire pa ekyo moiso kusiga igara asia chakire kuruga kusi aba pilibaito mutwe chinga kichingaro kwa na chire gari uwo mongora obango ogenda sasa baba panyaro montako cha ala bike gari atate ko gasa ngai bugero anya kotate kwandi sabali boka mafema moya magoli magoli ga busitara menda sasa abantu amandazi bakaliko akilende mutwe expected dinga abantu betongoja gari nande kemoro school business mutuka igatali magoli yako cha kamanda mona because abantu ne school business bakoliye nande nebana boyigo abantu babwato bulemero Kenya moro chibunato bwato bulemero
ntebye ama drivers baito beji para chito chia Kenya enga kibuneye nkonyorule kigali ne kinyinge kire kipara chito no kipara chito chiabire chinke kuba kigali to bwate lakini ngosaba abagendi abe kigali chito mobe chi driver chiabantu bonsi asepara mugende utaratibu mutige ko overlap nande ntebye drivers onye kwarosire don't overwork yourself yego kwa fatigue yagera kwarosire banyoro kwa kosiri achali
ayo negati yari abariki baito bamangana bagenderete ukoriganiria achiko gochera asenchera yobwekirano ibere na boigo inyecho botko bwarero nere ndipo nasanya inchengro kwa Catherine Nyabuga Vanessa Nyabuga kuraso muno wimanyiriro Kevin Ongeri kure studio akabere nera kwaneke abuna chibichechi na boiga Mario gicha wikera asenchera yobwekirano genda gotwara borigiriro borobya sembro buri agetembe TV ko watya tomirane ritukore ankyo
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kirichi tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana Honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full intabana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application tinchigenderete
asamange yabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gutrasa chilamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068. Enya gitari ya Nuga Best nenya gitari ya Chirengu maso busega sigireme